Right. So the first thing we're going to do is find out the volume of the known substance. Now we've got the known substance is the let's get some highlighters on here as well. So we've got blue. Let's use the pink one first. So HNO3. So that's this one here. So that's the volume in centimeters cubed. And that's the concentration of nitric acid. And then we'll pick the blue for the other one then. And that's the concentration of that one. And the volume is what we're trying to find out. So the volume is the target of that one there. Now, what you can do is you can put these into a table here. And what we've so far worked out is we worked out that the moles of the nitric acid is 0.0275. So we can work out one column of this table using this triangle down here. To go from one column to the next color, we have to use the balanced equation. The balanced equation tells us that the ratio in terms of moles is 1 to 1. So that's the key that links the known substance to the target substance. So that means that number is going to be the same over there. The number of the moles of the potassium hydroxide will also be 0.0275. Let's be clear what we mean by moles of this. It's the moles of nitric acid which is contained within that much volume of that much concentration. We calculated it using this formula triangle over here. So moles is equal to concentration times volume. So if we now we know how many moles of nitric acid we would have, we can work out the amount of moles of the potassium hydroxide we could react with it using this balanced equation. So it'd be 0.0275. So let's just, try that again. Can I copy that? Let's just, okay, it's being a bit fiddly. Right. So now we have now we have the moles of that. The final stage, and we've already got the concentration because it was given to us. Exactly. So the volume is going to be equal to the moles divided by the concentration, and that will give you the volume. That will give you the volume in decimeters cubed. If we wanted to turn it into centimeters cubed, we'd have to use that to convert.